Once a male albatross has bonded with a female, he will return to the place where he first met her to see his beloved, even if he travels long distances across the oceans. A silverback male gorilla can have up to 20 lovers at the same time. Elephants form deep family bonds and live in a matriarchal society. They show their love by intertwining their trunks and mourn their dead. Male pufferfish create intricate patterns on the sand to impress their mates. These patterns can take hours to form and are considered a sign of men's commitment to women. Angelfish are always found in pairs. They form close bonds from an early age and spend their lives traveling, hunting and eating together. Once paired, they are never seen without their partner.